Happy greetings, dear all. Today we are here for a concept video on rational numbers. So let's see what are rational numbers. So you can look into this Venn diagram. All the counting numbers from 1 to infinity, they are categorized as natural numbers and they are represented by the letter n. And when 0 is added with that counting number, it becomes a whole number and it is represented by w. And then the negative numbers 0 and the natural numbers together, they are termed as integers. And the numbers which can be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, they are termed as rational numbers. So now let's see what are the standard form for the rational numbers. A rational number is said to be in its simplest form only if the numbers, the numerator part and denominator parts are co-prime. So in general, a rational number p by q is said to be in a standard form if q greater than 0 and p and q are co-prime. That they should not have any common factor. If they have common factor, it should be divided in such a way that they remain co-prime. So 12 by 36 can be reduced to 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 is a standard form of a number. The second one is the denominator should always be positive. If the denominator is negative, it should be made to positive by transferring the negative sign to the numerator. Now let's do a question. Reduce the following rational number into their standard form. The first question what I have taken is minus 50 by 25. Minus 50 by 25. Now look at these numbers. They are not co-prime. The numerator part and denominator part both have a factor of 5. So I can divide these two numbers with 5. So on dividing, I'll be getting minus 10 by 5. Now again minus 10 and 5. You can see that 10 and 5 are again not co-prime. They are having a common factor as 5. So again I can divide it by 5. So when minus 10 has been divided by 5, my answer will be minus 2. And 5 divided by 5 is 1. So this minus 50 by 25 can be reduced to minus 2 by 10, 2 by 1. So minus 2 by 1 is in a standard form. Now let's take another example. Another example, 72 by 81. Now just look at the numbers 72 and 81. They both can be divided in 3 table. See, 7 plus 2 is 9 and 1 plus 8 is 9. So both can be divided in 3 table. So let's divide it by 3. So when 72 is divided by 3, we'll be getting 24. And when 81 is divided by 3, we'll be getting 27. Now, you can see that 24 and 27, again they can be divided in 3 table. So divide by 3, divide by 3. So you have to repeat this simplification until the numbers are co-prime. So 24 divided by 3 is 8 and 27 divided by 3 is 9. So 8 by 9 is in a standard form because they are not having any common factor other than 1. So they are in standard form. Thank you.